Good morning, everybody. Yeah, it's been a while since I posted a vlog, but yeah. Oh man, video. Sorry for the shaky footage right now. I'm driving. Ended up leaving out late. So today's the day. I'm heading down to Florida. We're gonna link up with S1 Built. I don't know if y'all can see what's on the back of the trailer right now. It's kind of hard to see because the sun's like pointing this way, but yeah. I got the silver Integra on the back. We're about to go all-wheel drive. Yeah, so today's a big day. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the S1 team. But yeah, I'm definitely making this drive. Saying 13-hour drive. It's not bad. But yeah, let's get this show on the road. I'm a little bit nervous and excited at the same time because I had a lot of plans for this car. All-wheel drive being one of them, but just didn't know it was gonna kind of be this soon or this early in the game. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? I'm not one to fight the progress, and opportunity presented itself, so here we are. But yeah, I'll see y'all either at my next stop or in Florida, depending on how I feel like taking on this drive. But yeah, see y'all in Florida. So this is like my third stop, I think, or second stop, I don't remember. But yeah, stopped at this little town in South Carolina. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Palm trees and all. Yeah. Get some gas and then we're back on the road. See y'all in Florida, yo. Yeah, buddy. We're here. I'm not the only Integra here. Yeah, man. It's about to go down. Alright, y'all. Good morning, everybody. So it's pretty nice in Florida. I didn't even vlog yesterday. Today's Monday, actually. I dropped off the car Saturday night and we got it in the shop and everything. I'm about to head over there right now because Sunday they didn't really do anything Sunday, I think. They had stuff to do with the family and stuff, so. But yeah, so I'm heading over there now. I just, got up, shower and everything. I'm in the hotel room. I need to make one stop, I think, and then I'm gonna head over to S1 and then just double check on the car for a little bit, hang out with them for a little bit, and head over to S1 and see what everybody over there is doing. Meet everybody for, I guess, the first time. I mean, I met a few of them at Honda Day, but I should be meeting everybody today, so we gonna see. We here, boys. I'll see the vibe. Y'all know what's up. We outside. Alright, y'all. Let's see where we at. When I say S1 don't play games, they don't play games, dude. Check this out. I was here. I'm probably been here probably not even an hour, maybe 30 minutes. Look at this. My man Chad is going in. He is not playing. Pro alarms are out. Old ones are out. Yo, he's going fast. He's going real fast, real quick. And then we got the master welder over here. No, I gotta get you on my
This is your arm.
This is my arm?
Yeah.
Come in.
So,
and he said this one's made out of very strong plastic.
careful
Damn.
what you say to me.
Ah, okay. I'm sorry. See? Okay. So this is my arm, fresh off the press. Oh man.
Yes, sir.
You guys is being nice to me today. Huh? Damn. You gotta make me move to Florida, man.
Yeah, come down.
And then we got the master tech over here.
Checked it out
Took
already?
all this in like 10 minutes. I went in there literally to get a bottle of water.
We're pretty much at the point where I'm gonna start putting it back together now. Actually, I'm gonna take your gas fill thing out, and then
Okay.
yeah, we're gonna start cutting it. So I'm at the point where I'm gonna start actually installing the kit.
Oh man, here we go. The fun part begins. Piece de resistance, you know? Oh man. So was anything painfully?
No.
out?
It was the car was fine. I set up all the other cars.
Yeah.
Which is well, I guess I said. Let me see if this car. Oh no, I didn't do anything. It doesn't matter. I didn't run the fuel. So, I'm guessing this was going to the factory tank in the
Yeah.
past. So this is how I'm going to run it. So I pulled all these out. That's your factory fuel.
Yeah.
And your factory, like the thing.
The return.
Yeah, but not just the return, the evap.
Yeah.
So I pulled that. So I'm gonna cut these, tape them, right? And then I'm gonna pull these back through, and I'm gonna run them through here.
Okay. It has enough length right here too. So if you pull it like down a little bit more.
I'm gonna join them. So like I'm gonna get to like a nice spot. Like I'm gonna see if I can get them to both make this turn, and then I'm gonna join them into like maybe like a 90.
Yeah.
And then run a fresh line to.
Because I have more of this and the fitting, so I'll leave it with you.
Okay.
Because this like the PTFE is like kind of pain in the ass.
I know. Well, we have. I mean, you could still run PTFE to the regular, not like the E85 AN line.
Yeah.
I know.
Fine. Now, let's tack all this in first.
Well, that's fine. I can do that.
This one here, it's gonna have to be cut half here, because that half is actually gonna be right here for that. See it? See it? Feel it right here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we could. You see it?
Yeah.
And that's where the dip was hitting, like right there.
Yeah, that's where it was hitting.
Exactly. So we could just do it like that. And then on the side over here, we're gonna build a plate. Just put this on, clean up all these right here, and we'll start tacking. Get this up there. Then from there, we're gonna cut this. Then we're gonna tack this on. We're gonna tack everything.
Tack this just from the inside for now, like just in the corner.
Yeah, we can tack. Yeah. This is from here. We can do from here, from the inside and the outside. Yeah. But just make sure we clean everything off from inside and outside.
Jay, how long are you gonna be with that?
You won't take that long.
Okay.
So, and that's the easiest way to do it. And it looks cleaner like that, real nice. And then plus it's gonna add strength because we're gonna reinforce this also, you know.
That's what I was worried about when I was doing it the first time. I was worried about, you know, like the back and forth. Yeah, the back and forth.
But what we're gonna do with his, we're actually gonna do what we did with that one. We're gonna go ahead and drill a hole here. We're gonna weld a nut, and then we're gonna weld another piece to hold it.
All right, y'all. We're in business.
Bottom here, you're gonna see this car's getting done real quick, real swift. So
Quickly, swiftly.
Swiftly.
Okay, yeah, wherever you want me. Okay. And here.
This way too? Yeah.
Turn the heat down? It's on 2. It's on 2, I think.
There you go. Better.
That's good. We're doing everything. This, whatever you want to do.
Try to hit this a bit, and then I'll put heat on it.
Okay, right here. Okay.
But it's more, okay?
Good? Good?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna hit that one in, I think.
So, progress update. 3 days in, I think, and we're almost done. The diff is already mounted. We got one axle in, the other axle's over there on the floor, and yeah, looking good. Painted with like really nice bed liner, and then they did me a little custom thing. So I'm running the Xenocron rear wheel speed sensor. So they made me like a custom mounting point for it with the bracket, and it's like spot on measurement, yeah. So yeah, we get in there. Should be driving by, I want to say 2 more days. But yeah, you should be straight, buddy. I'll see what else is left. Not much left, yeah. Technically. But yeah, stay tuned. We're about to make it happen. Official, y'all. Your boy is all we truck. Just waiting to slap the drive shaft in this thing. But yeah, other axles in now. A little speed sensor. Oh shit. That's my name. Yeah, you see where we're at. They got everything going on today. Got Chad in the house. Our boss man. This EG going crazy with it. They're putting 4G63 in this EG right here. So look out for this. And subscribe to S1 channel so y'all can see that. Evo diff and everything. So all you EG guys who got an Evo that's crashed, come to S1, you know what I'm saying, and you can get your Evo in your Civic. Right, Jit?
Oh, come here, look what you forgot. Oh, look.
Oh no, I never took it off.
Oh wait, we gotta take this off. It's gotta be shiny. Oh, that's so nice. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, buddy. But touch the ground for the first time, huh? Keep going.
Okay, hold on. I need to figure it out. You got it, Mike?
Oh, you're good.
Drive shaft going up. Big 3-inch tubes. Big 3-inch. Yo, YouTube.
You already know. I give the people coverage.
Alright.
Carton.
Get some bolts up front first. And back, and then brace it up. Man, my shit's tight already.
Send it up.
Mission.
Today, might be able to drive the car today. Out in the field set. Yeah, buddy. Almost done. Almost done. Yeah, almost that time.
Touch it up underneath, yeah. Don't make the fuel pump.
First startup.
That transfer be leaking. You good? Sure?
Yeah. You ready, Brandon?
No, I don't want to eat that.
Brandon, 50 nugs. Come on, bro. Just for the record, he didn't eat all 50.
Yeah, I ate 10.
He only ate 10.
10 nugs?
Brandon.
Alright.
What do we got here?
Something.
Is it 50 nuggets?
Nope, no more nugs in
It's
there.
not 50 nuggets? Damn, I thought it was 50 nuggets. I'm about to get a sticker that says 50 nuggets. I swear.
Fueled by 50 nuggets.
Yo, how much does this run for? 50 nuggets. Brandon, you gotta smell this gas real quick. It's bussin'.
Yeah, it just smells like GTR World Cup where your eyes burn out.
Yeah.
That's all
He said
it
it smells like potpourri.
Wait. Let me take the cap off again.
Oh my god, are we double vlogging?
I gotta get that slow mo.
Are you crossing YouTube streams?
Yeah, so that's actually
No,
not good.
just take it off fast. I'll slow mo it.
Ready?
Hit him up. He works at Oz at the down the road.
He's so down.
Sometimes you'll see him on
Okay,
Mom's
we're ready.
Venus.
Wait, said
What?
Mons Venus? Dude, you can't
Who's at Mons
don't say that
Venus?
shit. I gotta record it. For real, like, don't say that shit.
Alright. You ready, Mike?
You ready?
No.
Let's do this. You want a funnel or?
I kind of wish it was like
Nah,
E85
this
so it
shit-
smelled
they got, like,
better,
the-
but
Oh, this shit burns so bad.
my eyes already
Your eyes and
hurting.
everything.
You want to lower it down?
Let's lower it a little bit more.
No,
Let's
that
lower-
should be good.
You know, when I was at GTR World Cup, I was behind the line,
maybe. Yeah,
and every
maybe,
time
just
they
in
launched, my eyes would start watering.
Yeah, this shit. I walked out. I could tell they put it into the other container. I was like, all right, who opened the gas?
You know, I'll leave the fan running
eyes
because
hurt.
you're pouring. I'll just fast forward it.
My eyes are starting to twitch.
Yeah, it smells stink already. Shit.
He said it smells stink already.
Yeah, what it called, bro? Wait, don't pour yet.
Now we're gonna spray the fuel everywhere.
No.
With the
Oh,
fan.
you stand here and hold it so I can like point this shit down and then just so that. Thumb down, bro. Go. Alright, go
How
ahead.
many people does it take to fill an all-wheel drive gas tank?
50 nuggets.
You can go higher.
God,
Heavy.
great.
Smells like chicken grease.
Gotta love the smell of C85 in the morning.
time it is.
So this little knob helps like release the pee pee.
Everything will leak. Chris.
Stop. Psych.
That should be good. I don't rip no more. That's good. Throw it up.
Let's see. These pumps suck a lot of fuel. Pause. At least put like
How much is in there now?
the whole 5 gallon. Nah, I don't think.
Yeah,
Well,
that-
afterwards, after we get it like running a little bit.
It didn't even go to
Is
the
that
top
enough?
yet.
It's only gonna fill up
What do you
halfway.
Yeah. Here, count them up. Let me know when you're ready.
For real?
Every $1,000 you spend, you get a free poster of Pam.
We got something to tighten everything.
S1built.com.
Was it 12?
Just type
Yeah.
Pam.
Just type Pam. Every $1,000 you spend, you get a free poster.
Pam can
Right?
bang.
That's the new promo code.
Oh, these mosquitoes
Or not
about to
promo
have a
code, but
bad
promo.
day today, boy.
Hashtag Pam can't hang.
Pam can't hang.
Go ahead. Bite me all you want.
Damn. That's
Florida skeeters. Hit it with the.
That's good. It's fine. Hey TK,
Log on.
you come here often?
No, live here.
Oh, okay.
You live here? What do you mean?
Yeah, upstairs.
You're never here.
13.
Shut
Oh,
Damn,
he never here.
Exposed.
Just turn here to
Turn
record.
on the bottom.
Yeah.
I could loosen it there. What do you think?
It's on there for now.
Hit the negative.
Do my leg.
What'd you do?
Mosquitoes. What happened? Are we turning it on?
Yeah.
Oh fuck! Hold on. Hold on.
There's nothing up there, right? No tool.
Start up. Let's go.
Tell me when, okay?
You watching the back, man?
Prime the pump first, because I want to see if there's anything coming out.
All right, let me know if anything leaking up there, T.
Yeah, go. Rocket. Oh, I must have the fluid that.
Hold the line and let me know if you have a feel up back out there.
Yeah, man, I feel everything's good.
What do you think?
Let it prime just a little bit more, just so it can build. What's the pressure say up there?
What's the pressure say?
The fuel pressure.
Where's the fuel pressure gauge?
Where you put your gauge?
Where's the gauge?
Oh, shit. It's not on there anymore. It's on the...
I forgot.
Everybody looking everywhere for the fuel pressure gauge.
Yeah, I was like, I forgot I took it off. So it works off the sensor.
Oh,
So it's on my computer. Like, I normally hook up the computer and see the shit.
Oh damn. He Fast and Furious that shit.
Nah, it's for AEM.
Yo,
you gotta
you
have
know,
it.
you know if they got a computer in the car, it's serious.
You said what?
Oh wait, hold on. We got one little drip from the fitting further up.
Which one?
The one up, the joiner up there. In the middle.
I'll raise it up.
Yeah, raise it up.
That's the
joiner.
That's the feed?
I think
Drip, 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 drip.
Come on, run things.
Are you where, man?
Okay, got you. Yo,
Ready?
big time. Start up.